stand next to you. See? This is our problem. That's the problem with us. That's exactly what we do. That's exactly what married people do. And we call this a family. Because the kids are in the middle. Don't change now. Don't change now. Stay right there. Don't be pulling him over there now. No, you done messed up long time. Don't be pulling him over there now. This is our problem. Come here, kids. Stand over there for me, please. Before they existed, you were one. You were one. And God never meant for your children to come between your union. That's where you're messing up. That's why when the kids grow up and they leave and they go to college, you are two strangers.